I'm Kevin Beswick. The name of the business is the Sailmaster Tavern at North Haven in Adelaide, South Australia, and I'm the owner and I guess operator. We're a hotel. We have a very large food trade, beverage, bottle shop, gaming room, a sports bar with TAB, so pretty much the whole package. Challenges are quite significant. We have 450 seating capacity, which generates a lot of body heat, a lot of glass as we open up onto the marina so that we took advantage of the views, and with a cocktail lounge and function room upstairs, heat rises. So we're pretty conscious that our costs to run the venue are going to be quite expensive with electricity. The impact is that you've got to have a lot of refrigerated air, and if we open the doors as we do to open the venue to the marina, refrigerated air loses its effectiveness. This is why we came up with, after a lot of research, using the system that we have, and we're very, very pleased with it. It's very cost effective, keeps fresh air in the venue and keeps our patrons and our staff comfortable. The Climate Wizard CW-6S we found would add to our carbon footprint, would reduce it dramatically. Its water use is very, very minimal, and certainly saves the energy that we would have to use if we used another system. And that is why we chose it. And it's been very beneficial. We're already seeing great benefits in our bills as they're coming through.